Hi guys. They well it's not really big thing. I'm just gonna unwrap one little thing. And then um it's kind of not gonna be unwrapping stuff, but it's gonna be related to this. So please watch part 2. Please and so here it goes. It so okay. Wait, I need to go get it. Well, I got it from Target. Um, this is the box here. Well, and this is the back. Well, anyways, it's a monster truck from the Monster Jam. So I just found it at Target. It's actually my third favorite monster truck in Monster Jam, and yeah. Now I'm gonna be unwrapping it. So first I got this guy. I guess it came with it. This guy here, like I don't know, this guy. And then I got the thing here. It's this. It's here like that. It says zombie here. Zombie on the other side. And look like that. Oh, look it can like do like it can move his arms like this. See? Well, like these arms here like can move. See? Isn't that cool? Well, please subscribe to my channel and remember to watch part 2 and bye.